Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be reviewing an exciting product that you don't want to miss. Stay tuned to learn all about its features, benefits, and why it could be perfect for you. Are you tired of struggling with traditional can openers? Meet the KitchenMama Auto Electric Can Opener, a sleek, hands-free solution for your kitchen. With just a simple press of a button, this battery-operated can opener effortlessly opens your cans, leaving smooth, safe edges every time. Perfect for seniors, people with arthritis, or anyone who loves convenience. This Sweet Alice Gravity electric pepper and salt grinder set is a game-changer for my kitchen. The one-hand automatic operation makes it super convenient while cooking. The adjustable Coarseness feature lets me customize the grind to my taste, whether for fine or coarse seasoning. Its battery-powered design with
Are you looking for a reliable food storage solution? The Rubbermaid Brilliance BPA-Free 44-piece food storage set is perfect for meal prep, lunch, and leftovers. With airtight, leak-proof lids, your food stays fresh and secure. These containers are
crystal clear, making it easy.
Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews. And remember, you can find the product link in the description below. See you in the next video.